Chicken is a powerhouse of protein and essential nutrients, playing a significant role in maintaining human health. When we consume chicken, our digestive system begins by breaking down its proteins into amino acids in the stomach. These amino acids are then absorbed in the intestines, where they enter the bloodstream and contribute to muscle growth, repair, and overall physical strength. Additionally, chicken provides vital nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and zinc, which support cognitive function, boost the immune system, and enhance energy levels. However, it's important to consume chicken in moderation and to be mindful of potential side effects. For instance, some individuals may experience digestive irritation or allergic reactions. It's also essential to ensure that chicken is cooked properly to avoid any foodborne illnesses. In conclusion, when enjoyed as part of a balanced diet, chicken can significantly contribute to overall health, providing essential nutrients that support both body and mind.
Experiences like this. So